How to hide connections on LinkedIn mobile app. Firstly, you have to install the LinkedIn mobile app from your Play Store. Now open it on your Android. Just you can see that how to hide connections. You have to click on the me icon, that is your profile. Now you can see there is an option of settings. You have to click on the settings option, and there is an option of the visibility here. Click on the visibility icon. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Now click on visibility. You can see here at the fourth there is a connection options. Click on the connection option you want to hide. Just turn it off. Your connection visibility will be hide on your LinkedIn mobile app. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.